In this video, I'm going to share 4 solutions for emotional stress and stomach problems. But real quick, a smidge about me.
Hi, I'm Wendy Frazier. To get the best tips for better gut health, hit that subscribe button and smash that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Stick around to the end where you're going to be able to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. I've experienced digestive issues for most of my life. I've tried everything: cleanses, supplements, elimination diets, meditation, visualization, you name it, I've tried it. Just over 10 years ago, I discovered some baseline behaviors and supplements that actually work. I stopped buying everything that sounded good on Amazon reviews and focused on a specific lifestyle and a few supplements, and it worked. And I'm here to help you shorten your learning curve so that you can stop endlessly researching and finally settle down with a game plan that works. Stick around to the end where you'll be able to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. You can also find me on Instagram at Wendy Loves Oils, where I share some fun tutorials on natural living.
Now on to the good stuff. Mindfulness meditation. Honestly, I don't care what you do or how you do it, but find 2 times each day that you can sit quietly for 10 to 20 minutes. If you don't have that much time, start with 5, but for heaven's sakes, just start somewhere. Meditation is one of the best natural supplements for anxiety and depression, and twice a day is the magic number that has a boatload of research to back it up. Not to mention, the connection between gut bacteria and mental health cannot be ignored. There are wonderful apps that you can download like Headspace, which is one that I've been using for many years now. You can also simply put on some quiet music, put some headphones in, and sit with your eyes closed. I studied transcendental meditation for a long time, and the principle behind that goes a little bit like this. Close your eyes and think of a sound. I always like to think of sort of a low gong, just something peaceful. And your thoughts are going to race. You're going to start thinking about all sorts of things, but you're just going to, with your eyes closed, return to the sound. Every time your mind wanders, just return to the sound. I know it sounds really woo-woo, but the truth is, it's going to calm your nervous system down, and it's going to help you. Now, because I am a lover of essential oils, I'm also going to tell you that there's a lot of legit research around using essential oils for mindfulness. In the same way that I taught you about essential oils for digestion, and if you haven't seen that video, check it out. Some of my favorite oils to use for meditation are sandalwood and vetiver. You may not know that essential oils have emotional components to them, and that means that they can support different emotions that you either want to feel more of or you want to feel less of. Once again, my 2 favorites, sandalwood and vetiver, because they're very grounding. And here's how I like to use them. I will take some vetiver, I will put it in my hands, put some on my fingers, rub it behind my ears, rub my hands together, and take some real deep inhales before starting my meditation. Using essential oils in this way can really help to calm that nervous system down, and I have found that I can find a stillness using them that I cannot without. Number 2 is going to be using essential oils on a daily basis. There's an oil blend called Balance that has some really grounding properties similar to the 2 oils I just told you about. And what that means is not only does it help you just sort of lower your stress levels, it helps to lower your blood pressure, lower your cortisol levels, slow your breathing down, help you to feel just a little bit more okay inside yourself. This actually inadvertently becomes a tool to help you improve your gut health. I know it sounds crazy, but for the last 11 years, I have been using these tools. And this is what I can tell you. The days that I start my day off by putting essential oils on my feet, things just feel more calm. I feel more calm and focused, and I feel like it's easier to deal with life. I've gone through periods of time in my life where my habits get a little lazy, or I just, get busy, and I notice a really big difference in my ability to cope. So my go-to oils when I'm in a really good habit are the following. First, I put On Guard on my feet, which keeps my immunity up. I put Balance on my feet, which helps give me kind of that grounding effect. I put In Tune on my feet, which helps with my focus, and a little blend that doTERRA doesn't make anymore called Elevation. This one helps me with really not feeling too sad. I rub them on my feet, one after the other, put my shoes on, and either head out to the gym, go for a walk, start my day. Honestly, I don't usually put them on a second time unless I'm feeling stressed. And if I feel stressed, I put them on again. When you realize that stress plays such a crucial role in your digestion, you start to understand why gut health is important and how it's so connected, and how gut bacteria and mental health go hand in hand. Next up is magnesium, specifically magnesium glycinate. If you eat any sugar in your diet at all, or if you ever get stressed out, then you are deficient in magnesium, because stress and sugar both deplete our bodies of its magnesium stores. That means that most people walking on this earth are in a constant state of depleted magnesium. Different types of magnesium do different things in the body, but magnesium glycinate specifically is wonderful for stress. I recommend using 500 milligrams. I like to take it before I go to bed if I know that my mind's gonna race. It really helps me to get a good night's sleep. My daughter takes it in the morning because she tends to be a little keyed up, and it helps her to manage all the stresses of the day. There are so many things I would love to share with you, but the last I'll share with you is actually to chew your food. Slowing down and chewing your food activates enzymes underneath your tongue that help to begin to break down your food. This simple act of chewing your food as close to liquid as possible may alleviate so many of your digestive issues, not just because the food is broken down and easier to digest, but because you're being more present. Slowing down, chewing your food, and enjoying your food actually have a huge impact on your stress levels. At a very basic level, if we can't give ourselves the gift of slowing down to fuel ourselves, we're probably living a lifestyle that could be doing more harm than good for us. If you haven't watched it already, check out my video titled Emotional Stress and Stomach Problems. In this video, I break down cortisol and how it can really mess things up in your stomach. If you're someone like me who likes to stay busy, has lots of things you're interested in, and has a little bit more of a difficult time just sitting down, then the simple tip of sitting down to eat at all of your meals and chewing them and enjoying them is going to feel difficult at first. But if you're on my channel, you're probably not looking for a quick fix, but you're looking for some new habits to create so that you can change the trajectory of your health and your well-being.
Remember that healing takes time. The best changes are the ones that you can stick to, so start with small steps that you can live with. That's the power of rituals. That's the power of habits for a healthy life. If you want a guide on your path to get a better gut, book a discovery call with me. As a functional nutrition coach, I can help you create a wellness plan that is simple, fits your lifestyle, and gets you real results. If you like this video about surprising gut health supplements, I know you're going to love my video, Gut Bacteria and Mental Health, where I share the unique connection between the gut and the brain. Make sure to watch that video next. As promised, I'll share with you how to download your free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. Just click the link below in the description and that will lead you to your free download.